Hello, how are you doing? One video more. You are in the channel We Were the Land, and I am Joseph, and I hope you are fine. Today we are in the farm. We are in the olive farm, and today I'm putting two posters and a chain, okay, for to protect the entrance. So you can see here a poster and the chain to the other poster, okay, and the label. You can watch the label is okay, and we go to the other poster and you can watch the label is okay, and here it's okay too. And this is the chain. The chain goes one poster to the other poster. And now it's a work in 38 grade Celsius, and too much hot day for work, but I have to finish this, and I hope you are fine. We will see in the next video, and you will see where I finish this work in the next video. Big hit to everybody. See you.